This morning we were given a presentation on introduction to 3D printing, and just to find out the different types of printers, the different types of processes being used, and just getting background information about 3D printing as a whole and where it's used in industry. It was great just to find out information about 3D printing because I come from an education background, so I wasn't sure about it, and I just found it really informative to know the different types of printers, the price of the printers, the benefits of printers and different processes, so it was really good, beneficial.
A little stairway, a little piece of carpet, a pair of mirrors that are facing one another, out in both directions, 1,000 little Julias, they come together in the middle of Manhattan.
Well, I'm just here to learn a little bit more about 3D printing. With my business, there's a lot of mass-produced products that we would actually sell to the customers. My idea was to look into the prospect of designing more custom-made bits and pieces. So 3D printing as an additive manufacturing process, it's something that you can actually cost-effectively use to manufacture specific products for customers. This is the first time I've actually been here, and I'm very, very impressed, and just everything's so accessible and everybody's so friendly. So actually coming up and being able to take your time and talk to people about the processes involved, especially with 3D printing technology, it means a lot, and I would definitely come back again to use that.
Around the corner, the house that modernized.